Hold on to your hats, folks. The world around us is changing faster than ever before, and it's all thanks to the incredible power of technology. Did you know that by the year 2025 there will be over 75 billion devices connected to the internet? That's a mind-blowing number, and it's only going to keep growing as technology advances. That's, more than 9 devices for every person on Earth. Imagine every member of your family, your friends, and even your pets, surrounded by smart gadgets. We're living in a world totally transformed by technology. Our cities, homes, and workplaces are becoming smarter and more connected every single day. Every single day, new gadgets and innovations are changing how we live, work, and interact with each other. From smartwatches tracking our health to virtual assistants helping us manage our schedules, technology is everywhere. This isn't just about having a fancier smartphone or a faster computer, it's about how these tools are becoming essential parts of our daily routines. It's really about a fundamental shift in our society. The way we communicate, learn, and even think is evolving. It's about artificial intelligence making decisions, robots doing our chores, and smart systems anticipating our needs before we even ask. And information traveling at the speed of light, connecting people and ideas across the globe in an instant. Buckle up, everyone, because the future is here. We're already seeing glimpses of what's possible, and it's only the beginning. In this essay, we're going to explore how emerging technologies are shaping our future, from the way we work to the way we play. We'll delve into the exciting possibilities and, the challenges we must overcome to make the most of this new era. Get ready to explore the world of artificial intelligence, the Internet of Things, blockchain, and biotechnology. These fields are revolutionizing industries and opening up opportunities we never imagined. These technologies are not just changing our gadgets. They're changing the very fabric of our lives, influencing our health, our relationships, and our future. So get ready for a wild ride into the future. The journey is just beginning, and the possibilities are endless. Let's break down these complex technologies into bite-sized pieces, so you can see how each one is shaping the world around us. First up, artificial intelligence, or AI. Imagine a world where computers can learn, solve problems, and even make decisions like humans. That's AI in a nutshell. It's already powering things like voice assistants, smart recommendations, and even helping doctors diagnose diseases faster and more accurately. From self-driving cars to personalized medicine, AI has the potential to revolutionize countless industries, making our lives easier, safer, and more efficient every day. Next, we have the Internet of Things, or IoT. Think of a giant network connecting everyday devices, from your refrigerator to your car, allowing them to communicate and share data seamlessly. This interconnectedness will lead to smarter homes, efficient energy consumption, and improved city infrastructure. Imagine cities where traffic lights adjust automatically to reduce congestion, or homes that anticipate your needs. Now let's talk about blockchain. Ever wondered how to make online transactions secure and transparent? Blockchain is the answer. It's like a digital ledger that everyone can trust, but no one can tamper with. This revolutionary technology ensures secure and tamper-proof record-keeping, paving the way for new forms of digital currency, secure data sharing, and even voting systems that are resistant to fraud. Last but not least, biotechnology. This field combines biology and technology to develop life-changing innovations that can improve health, agriculture, and the environment. Imagine personalized medicine tailored to your DNA, lab-grown organs for transplantation, and crops engineered to withstand climate change and feed more people. The possibilities are truly remarkable, and these technologies are only just beginning to show us what's possible for the future. With great power comes great responsibility. While these technologies offer incredible opportunities, we must also address the challenges they present. One major concern is privacy. With so much data being collected and shared, how do we ensure our personal information remains protected? Another challenge is job displacement. As automation and AI become more sophisticated, there's a risk of machines replacing human workers in various industries. We need to find ways to retrain and prepare our workforce for the jobs of the future. Ethical dilemmas also arise with these advancements. Who is responsible when an autonomous vehicle makes a mistake? How do we prevent AI from perpetuating existing biases? These are complex questions that require careful consideration and ethical frameworks. Navigating these challenges is crucial to ensure that technology benefits all of humanity, not just a select few. Imagine a city where traffic flows smoothly, energy consumption is optimized, and citizens are empowered with real-time information. That's the promise of smart cities. With sensors, data analytics, and interconnected infrastructure, cities can become more efficient, sustainable, and livable. Communication will also be revolutionized. Imagine holographic calls that make you feel like you're in the same room with someone across the globe, or, virtual reality experiences that transport you to another world. The way we connect and interact will be transformed in unimaginable ways. Even our daily lives will be touched by technology. Smart homes will anticipate our needs. Robots will assist with chores, and personalized recommendations will enhance our experiences. From grocery shopping to healthcare, technology will streamline and improve every aspect of our lives. The traditional workplace is undergoing a radical transformation. Remote work is becoming increasingly common, and collaboration tools are bridging the gap between physical and digital workspaces. With artificial intelligence taking over repetitive tasks, human workers are free to focus on creativity, problem-solving, and innovation. Education is also adapting to the changing times. Online learning platforms are offering personalized learning experiences tailored to individual needs and learning styles. Virtual reality and augmented reality are bringing immersive learning experiences to classrooms, making education more engaging and effective. The future of work and education is all about adaptability, lifelong learning, and embracing the power of technology to enhance our skills and knowledge. As we embrace a future powered by technology, it's crucial to strike a careful balance between the risks and rewards that come with innovation. The choices we make today will shape the world for generations to come. We must strive for sustainability, ensuring that technological advancements don't come at the expense of our planet's health. Every breakthrough should be measured not just by progress, but by its impact on the environment and future well-being. Efficiency is another key consideration. By harnessing technology, we can streamline operations and make better use of our resources. Technology should be used to optimize processes, reduce waste, and improve our overall quality of life, making daily tasks easier and more enjoyable for everyone. However, we must ensure that this efficiency doesn't lead to job displacement and economic inequality. Accessibility and opportunity for all are paramount as we move forward. Everyone, regardless of their background or location, should have equal access to the benefits of technology, so that no one is left behind in this digital age. We need to bridge the digital divide and create a more inclusive future, where knowledge and opportunity are shared by all. Finally, global cooperation is essential to establish ethical guidelines and standards for the development and use of these powerful technologies, ensuring they are used responsibly and for the greater good. We must work together, across borders and cultures, to ensure that technology remains a force for good in the world and benefits all of humanity. The future holds immense potential for progress and innovation. Imagine a world where technology empowers everyone, where diseases are eradicated, and poverty is a distant memory. By harnessing the power of technology responsibly and ethically, we can create a brighter future for all. We've explored the transformative potential of artificial intelligence, the Internet of Things, blockchain, and biotechnology. We've discussed the challenges and opportunities that come with these advancements, emphasizing the need for sustainability, efficiency, accessibility, and global cooperation. The future is not something that happens to us, it's something we create together. Let's embrace the power of technology to build a more equitable, sustainable, and prosperous world for generations to come. As we stand on the threshold of tomorrow, technology is more than just innovation. It's a bridge to our dreams and a mirror reflecting our values. Every breakthrough, every new connection shapes the fabric of our society and redefines what's possible. Yet the true impact of technology depends not just on what we invent, but on how we choose to use it. Will we foster empathy, understanding, and inclusion? Will we use these powerful tools to close divides, elevate voices, and protect our planet? The future is a canvas and each of us holds a brush. Our choices today will echo for generations, influencing the world our children inherit. So, as we move forward, let's remember, technology's greatest power lies in our hands, the power to imagine, to create, and to care. Together, let's shape a future where progress uplifts everyone and hope lights the way. Thank you for joining us on this journey. The story of tomorrow begins with us.